Nekati simulabanga ng'ajja kulabawo. Ebuzibu.
Bakusaba sente mmeka?
Milioni 3.5.
Sente nyingi.
Was definitely an indicator that you're trying to say that since it's celebrating good life, you have to give me my share, blah, blah, blah. But what share has Weasel really taken since radio died? Apart from humiliation, life has humiliated Weasel. Until the last video I saw him when he had gone to Fangon. You guys who are watching this, you only saw that video that only was released. If you take a look at the other one that was recorded inside the house. So it has been really an unfair situation since that, since the death of a young brother on radio. It has been worse and harsh for the partner. Of course, as a mother, you lost more, but it's not only you. I'll give you a good example. Chameleon's same mom lost AK-47. This was the youngest budding artist. I could not believe, because I had all my guns ready. The late Humphrey and I had a conversation, and I was behind pushing that young man. Even Weasel himself, it's Humphrey who called me because Chameleon was not interested in his brother's singing. He didn't want, because it's too rough. It's just like me and Alan. I had a very big argument with him. Told him, you can't, don't. This world is too rough. So Chameleon refused, and then the brothers insisted, and they have made it. A few days back, when Radio's mother, by mistake, I don't know who set her up. I don't know whether it's Radio's brother who went and told Mom to go to the media and make that statement. Whatever statement that was made, that of course all of you have heard, that was the biggest blunder. That was the biggest blunder. And this is my take. As in, when the duo Radio and Weasel started, it started on the platform of Jose Chameleon, giving an opportunity to two young artists. The one who's giving opportunity to two young artists is the brother of Weasel. Yes, Weasel of the two had the lesser talent, but you can't gauge talent till death do us both apart. Of course, one of us passed on. Rest in peace, that's Radio. But you never know how far Weasel can go tomorrow. That's music for you. You don't have, you don't know. So my take was, when I saw what Radio's mother, said, I was like, no, that's a blunder. Because also Weasel has a family. Also Weasel was a friend of Radio. Also Weasel invested in time and money. Also Weasel needed to be touched. No one understands, or no one understood how much Weasel had invested into Radio. I'm very sure that Weasel, if Radio came up and said that I no longer want to work with Weasel because I want to work and earn my money alone, if I get 1 million, I eat the 1 million as me, because definitely as two of them, they were sharing the 1 million.